Hey there everyone, the 2024 season comes to an end trend is taking over TikTok and Instagram, and I'm here to help you create your own version to celebrate your favorite moments from the year. Whether you're sharing it with friends or posting it on your feed, it's super simple to make. Open the TikTok app and tap the search icon at the top. In the search bar, type 2024 season comes to an end and hit enter. You'll see a variety of videos featuring this trend. Browse through the results and find a video with a template that matches the vibe you want. When you've chosen a video, tap on the CapCut. Try this template button. This will take you to CapCut. Tap Use Template in CapCut and wait for the template to load. Once it's ready, tap Use Template again. Now comes the fun part. CapCut will open your photo gallery. Here, you'll select the photos and videos that represent your favorite memories from 2024. Think about those special moments, birthdays, vacations, celebrations, or anything that made this year unforgettable. After you've selected your clips, tap Next in the bottom right corner and CapCut will process your video. Preview it to see how it turned out. If everything looks great, tap Export in the top right corner. CapCut will save the video to your device, and you can now share it directly on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or with friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more creative tips, and let me know in the comments what your favorite memory of 2024 was. Wishing you a fantastic new year ahead. See you in the next video.